Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Drug and Alcohol Attorneys video newsletter. In this particular video I want to talk to you about a question that was asked by a prospective client. And the question was, Mark, do I have to take your advice? And when they asked that question I had a flashback to one of the many words of wisdom my own father passed on to me before he left us, which was, at the end of the day you have to make the decision that's right for you. And he used to say, listen, when it comes to making decisions about, love, business, things of that nature, you take all the advice that you can, and then you decide what's right for you. So when families call us and they speak to me or they speak to Audra, I give them options. And then I give them, my advice and say, look, this is my recommendation. Now, at the end of the day, every family, every person that calls us has to make the decision that's right for them. But understand something. When I give you advice, when I give you counsel, it's not because I'm some great sage or I have a crystal ball. It's because we've handled literally hundreds of these cases, and so I give you my opinion based on my experience, what I see. And there are certain things that are consistent with these cases, even though each one factually is unique. There are certain things that are consistent, such as, substance use and mental illness get worse with time. Or if it's a Baker Act case, if you have insurance, they're probably going to try and keep you. If you file after the 72-hour window to get somebody released from a Baker Act facility, it's going to be tough to get them out. So, there's certain things that are consistent with these cases. And so when I give you an opinion, it's based on my experience in handling these cases. But at the end of the day, as my father used to say, you got to make the decision that's right for you. So hopefully you take my advice. If you don't, that's okay. It really is. It's okay to tell me that you're going to do what you feel is right for you. With that said, thank you once again for listening. Take care and be safe.